I'm down if you're down. Let's get sticky at corrupt intervention. Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds to me like you want to be a
I'm
bitch.
gonna go to the boat.
Mr. Killer. Is the unknown.
It's the unknown.
Oh,
Somehow I
thank
ran
you.
right past him.
Small boat time. Wait, are we all working here?
Is the unknown the one that spits acid at you?
Yeah.
Non-acid.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck, I dropped that for no reason. Gosh darn it.
You don't look behind you.
You at the boat? Bottom? Okay, let me know if you're coming up.
Yeah.
We're finishing up the one right here in the center.
There he is.
What?
Oh fuck, he has rank.
Wait, what the?
He has rancor.
What's this?
Basically, when you have that, if he spits on you with the thing, it counts as a hit.
As soon as the
How
door's
do you get
open,
rid of it?
I'm gonna have to leave.
It only. So, rancor is not something you get rid of. If you're the obsession, which Zeph is. at
Oh
the
no,
end
he's
game,
talking
you can
about
just-
the purple thing on him.
Oh, you
Yeah,
have
like
to be
the
inside
little-
his killer territory. Inside his territory. So as progressively, like you're juking him or running away from him, like it gets lowered.
Oh, he's on you.
Yeah, so see how he just spit the thing at me? He got to have a free hit.
Also remember the blast radius means he can hit you through walls if you're near the wall.
So like an AoE?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
it's really dumb.
He's teleporting over here, I think.
Oh my god. He's on me now. He's gonna fucking get rid of me, bro.
Keep going, acid. Uh-oh.
Dude, I'm annoyed, man.
Nope. I think I'm either bad or he has Lightborn or both.
I just found this in a chest, so it's not a very good flashlight.
He's on me. Taking him to Killer Shack.
Going for the, or unless someone else is closer to the rescue.
Yep, he has. No, he doesn't have Lightborn. He doesn't have Lightborn.
Oh, so you guys are both bad. God damn it, I hate you.
To be fair, it looked like he was really close to being blinded.
He's gonna come straight for me. I fucking knew
Oh,
it.
yep. You have Unbreakable, right?
Yeah.
Oh, he's on
Dude,
me.
I tried to.
I'm going back to my gen.
Oh, he's tunneling him. You might have to take a hit, Arthur.
Yeah.
You haven't been hooked yet.
No, I
I'm
haven't.
healing, and then I'll take a hit off of him.
Oh my god.
No.
Yeah, that's not gonna work.
Dude.
Yeah,
What
an
did I
asshole.
do? Goddamn. Fucking
Unknown. Wait, you're dead? I thought that was your second hook.
No, that's why I said
No, he
that
was
we had to take
tunneling
a
me.
hook for. That's why I said you have to take a hit for him.
Yeah, he was just trying to get the flash.
I said you haven't been hooked yet. He's been hooked twice.
Zeph, I think he's looking for you.
That's fine. He's not gonna find me.
I'm telling you, man.
Sure hope he didn't hear
This
that.
is Zeph at his peak. Yeah, as soon as he starts streaming.
He didn't fall for it.
That's change.
I'm just fucking around. I just
No,
but right, like, isn't it like funny? A lot of things that he does, like it doesn't
You
Like,
know,
he
I
doesn't
will
mean it.
say I've had like a couple of epic plays, and they always happen right before I start streaming. I was like, you know what? Next match I'll start streaming, and I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I did that.
That's funny.
That's why we have to
As
start
soon as I
recording
start-
all of our games. Holy shit!
Damn, she tunneled you. Nobody else has been hooked.
Oh fuck! You got me.
Put you in the ass.
You taking it a killer shack?
Technically,
To the side of it.
technically yes.
Shit, how do you get yourself fast?
I can get Arthur. Oh, never mind.
Can we report the tunneling or no?
No, it's not a reportable offense.
But like, you could complain, no? Like that's a form of it.
Yeah, you're
I
allowed to
mean-
complain.
Yeah, you could argue, be like, I didn't have fun, but
But I did have fun.
I'm not gonna touch that with a 10-foot pole. That one's done.
I mean, it sucks. The killers.
I'm
do
getting
that.
done. I'm coming, buddy. Don't die on me. It's just the hook. You'll be
Straight
fine.
to you.
Oh fuck! He's gonna think I'm like faking him out because that's the second time I've done that, but
Oh,
Nah,
he's
He's switching targets. He's right behind
oh
you.
man, I drank my water too fast. Now I got hiccups.
What a weenie, dude.
Yeah, real men don't get hiccups. You're right.
For real. Fucking weenie.
Good.
You could be a girl and still be like a weenie.
At least I didn't die first.
That's fucking toxic. That's because of you. Toxic.
You died because of you.
Straight over here again.
No, what did I do? I literally got tunneled.
You
That's
did
what I'm
something.
getting off of. No, I didn't. I didn't do.
You're no
anything.
angel.
No, he really didn't do anything.
Dude, I was doing the gens. I ran into him the first time.
Are you going for a
and that
save,
was it.
Arthur, or where are you at?
Yeah, I'm going for the save.
Saw you around here.
I'm covered in his purple gunk.
I'm gonna get him.
Mm-hmm.
All right. I'm gonna go look
Lots
for a
of-
gen to do. Oh, actually,
lots of
I know
target
which one to do.
behavior.
I know which one to do.
Is the one on the boat, like the platform done already? That's a good one to do.
Zip, I don't know if it was you or someone else, but somebody was talking about how like in China, when they have like anime or whatever, they don't do red blood, they do white blood, so it just looks like a bunch of cum.
That sounds like something Arthur would notice.
Bro, can you start falling for my tricks? Holy shit.
He could, when he's standing up like that, Tony, he could teleport to you. When
This guy has to be a survivor, man. Just none of my bullshit's working on him.
Why would you risk it? How are you going for you on the trigger direction?
That can't be right.
Oh my. Oh.
Oh, he's probably gonna teleport to this
Again, communication key.
Bro, what did I do to you?
I'm telling you, he's just tunneling, dude.
one. Damn, we're going.
I'll waste
You
as
just
much of his
gotta
I'll waste as much of his time as I can. Just go
That usually means they'll last.
I ain't
That was a
waste
good
much of
amount
it.
of time.
It's longer than you would have lasted.
That's true.
I'm going down.
We're going down in the merry-go-round.
And merry-go-round. I miss those.
Play Hawkins. Oh, I know.
He left me.
Better not come here.
He's
What are you gonna
heading
do about it, Dan?
towards the
What are you
middle
gonna do?
pier.
What are you gonna? You gonna sass him? You gonna tell him off?
Just one more jump.
Just distract him as long as you can, then. Oh, Dan.
Ah! I didn't know there was one other way out.
Oh, Tony, you better hide. Uh-oh. Do you see you? Just hide. Just stay. You're good. He doesn't see you. Just stay. Stay very still. Stay very still.
Quiet.
He doesn't see you. Nah, he doesn't see you. I don't care what. I don't
Oh
care.
wait, right?
Yeah, there's no way.
Is he teleporting?
I'm going to Den's perspective just in case. Den, turn around. There you go.
I think he saw me. Oh, there's no fucking thing here no more.
Did he just swing at you or what happened? Did you move?
First
Oh,
thing
my.
has an AoE, so it's very easy for him to check around the map, I guess.
I didn't see what happened, Tony. Did he just swing at you or what happened?
No, he spit at me.
Oh, he spit in front of himself?
Yeah.
Damn.
How far is your thing? I have unbreakable.
Oh, he's going. Oh, I'm ready. Let me heal you, bro. We're both in the tactical while I'm healing you. But it won't last after because you're not the obsession, just say no.
God damn. Alrighty.
I'll try to do one of those other gens.
What the hell?
It's so dope.
Yeah, Acid, if you could remind me to attach Windows of Opportunity next match, that would be great.
Okay.
Okay, there's a few pelts on this side.
He's getting chased. One is getting chased.
Motherfucker.
Man,
Yeah, he gonna do.
He went towards the killer shack on the generator I was working on.
Alright, I should be able to get you.
He's coming back towards me. Oh, I think he saw you.
No chance. Nah! No. You missed, sucker. Ah! Stunned him. Oh, I didn't know the pallet would block the projectile. Ah, he tricked
Ah, I
me!
got you.
He made it seem like he was gonna break the pallet.
Oh, that's actually pretty cool. I've never seen that. No, okay, that was pretty cool.
GG, man.
Man, fuck you, you hypocrite. Don't tell him GG.
GG, easy claps. Why am I not gonna tell him GG?